Hey teachers, welcome back to Chalkboard Wisdom, your go-to for quotes that make teaching even more magical. I'm Professor Chalky, and today we're diving into a topic that's at the heart of education, inspiring lifelong learning in your students. Let's spark their curiosity with 7 quotes that encourage a love for knowledge and growth. First up, the more you learn, the more places you'll go. This quote is a reminder that learning opens doors to new adventures. Encourage your students to explore new topics. Maybe start a curiosity corner where they can share fun facts or books they love. Show them that every lesson is a step toward an exciting journey. Number 2, curiosity is the wick in the candle of learning. This one's all about fueling curiosity. Create a wonder wall where students can post questions they're curious about, like, why is the sky blue? Or, how do birds fly? Then, dive into those questions together. Curiosity will light their passion for learning. Here's the third. Education is the key to unlocking the world. This quote highlights the power of knowledge. Inspire your students by connecting lessons to the real world, like using math to plan a class party budget or history to understand their community. When they see learning as a key, they'll be eager to unlock more doors. Number 4, learning is a treasure that will follow you everywhere. This one's a beautiful way to show the value of education. Encourage your students to keep a learning journal where they write down new things they discover each week. This treasure of knowledge will stay with them for a lifetime, no matter where they go. Number 5, the beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. This quote emphasizes the lasting impact of education. Celebrate your students' growth by creating a learning tree, where each leaf represents something new they've learned. It's a reminder that their knowledge is theirs forever, a gift they'll always carry. Here's the 6th. Never stop asking why. That's how you grow. This one's about fostering a growth mindset. Encourage your students to ask why during lessons. Like, why does this science experiment work? Or, why did this historical event happen? Asking why keeps their minds active and eager to learn more every day. And finally, a mind that is stretched by new experiences can never go back to its old dimensions. This quote wraps up our list with a powerful message. Expose your students to new experiences, like a virtual museum tour, a guest speaker, or a hands-on project. These experiences will stretch their minds and inspire a lifelong love for learning. So, there you have it, 7 quotes to inspire lifelong learning in your students. These ideas always remind me how a love for learning can transform lives, and I hope they inspire you to ignite that spark in your classroom. Which one resonates with you the most? Let's share our thoughts and ideas. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which quote will you use to spark curiosity in your students? Or share your favorite way to encourage a love for learning? Drop it in the comments below. Let's keep nurturing curious minds and lifelong learners together.